We are on the way to Nagarjuna Hill, and this is also kind of jungle safari. We may get to see wild animal as well if we are lucky enough. Though bumpy road, enjoying the journey. One can see whole view of Kathmandu Valley from here if atmosphere is clear. This place is commonly known as Jamcho by Nepalese people. Nagarjuna's stupa and cave can be seen here, so it is also known as Nagarjuna Hill. Mostly Buddhist pilgrims from all across the globe come to visit here to perform a smoke ceremony and to bind prayer flags. People are enjoying their cultural dance and song as a symbol of victory from all bad spirits and negativities.